Hey guys, my name is Jack,
I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Marshall.
and we've created Flua. So, Flua is an open world game that helps users learn language by interacting with characters in a town. So, as you can see, you can log in and select what language you want to become more proficient in. And then your character spawns in like this. And I worked on a lot of the front end and game logic elements using Phaser.js to implement game logic such as interacting with NPCs and moving around. So then if you could see, when you get close to an NPC, you can press E to talk, and then this opens up a conversation which uses Google Gemini API, which Jonathan could tell you more about.
Yeah. So aside from the front end component, we also created a back end component using Express.js to create a robust API that utilizes the Gemini API to simulate or to create dynamic responses for each of our characters or NPCs. So whenever you go up and talk to an NPC, instead of getting a static response or set response, we also get a dynamic changing response. We've also pre-prompted the Gemini API to role play as specific characters around our map. So even if you ask the characters, if they are AI, they will deny or they won't mention. They'll keep role playing as whatever character we set them as. And then also in the corner, as you can see, we've also implemented a hint bar for translation. To do this, we also utilize the Gemini API in the backend. So when you click hint, the front end makes a fetch call to the backend, and the backend makes another call to Gemini, providing the string and asking Gemini to hand back a translated string of the language of your choice, most likely English, and then that is displayed in the front end.
Yeah. Additionally, the response is all from the Gemini API. Also, we ask the AI to rate the user's response, and it gives a value from 0 to 10. And then here in Phaser on the front end, I basically scrape that value and add it to your reputation. So if you are speaking good in the language that you're trying to learn, then your reputation will go up. Whereas if you're speaking bad, so if you see I just input randomness, your reputation up here is going to go down. So that's the reputation system and how you can progress and level up in the game, and an incentive to learn the language.
The AI is prompted as well to, like, I don't know if Jack said, but the AI is prompted as well to rate this. So we are getting dynamically changing ratings as well as accurate ratings that we can use from an AI in our game to set our reputation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You also lose reputation from hints as well.
Alrighty, graphics. As you may have noticed, you'll see a lot of bushes all around. These are procedurally generated. They're deleted when they go off screen to conserve memory, and because they're procedurally generated, when you return to the same place, they'll be in the exact same locations that they were originally. In addition, you may have noticed all the other uh, graphic elements. All of these were created in-house using GIMP, except for the character models. And the animations with the character models were also done manually. Uh, so yeah.
All right. Thank you guys for watching, and we hope you enjoyed Fluid.